A code for a particular combination lock can only include letters, symbols, and digits from a selection of 7 letters, 3 digits, and 5 symbols. A valid code for the lock must consist of exactly 2 letters, 1 symbol, 1 digit, and 1 symbol in that order. Repetition is allowed. How many different codes possible? Well, let's stick to the parameters. Exactly 2 letters, and there are 7 to choose from. Repetition is allowed, so there are 7 choices for the letter, 7 choices for the letter. 1 symbol. There are 5 symbols.